Hello everybody. Right, you've seen the Academy version of the Lightning II. This is the Italeri F-35B version, this short takeoff and vertical landing version which you have on ships. I don't really say ships like that, that's my ships. On ships. On aircraft carriers. So there's a nice lid, nice bit of artwork there by whoever did that. And there we are, it's very good, shows the Royal Navy version of it. I'll take a box of the way. But what you got, top opening box, the instructions. I'll show you the instructions first. I'll show the decals first, isn't it? Just usual decals, nice grey with grey background and extra grey on it. But you get a little flag for America and Britain for underneath the one of the hatches there. I'll show you that later on. Well, you probably already know where it goes because it's on the lid. Look, see, that's for the one there. And I got the Union flag for that. And yeah, and somebody called Marina for the Italians. Whoever that is. I'm only joking, I know it's Italian. So, Italeri, why people can't decide how it's pronounced, I don't know. Italeri, I'm going to call it. Kit number 1425. Inside got a sprue map, well, a list of what's been included. Start off traditionally with the seat, decals for the straps, and the internals. You got, you know how it's changed with the instrument panel. It's all computers now. It looks like something out of a science fiction film or series. And you put the cockpit on the nice one-piece wing and fuselage section. And it says at this stage to put the legs on, so put the legs into the little wheel wells, should come separate. And there's like a fin thing there as well, like what do you call them, louver sort of system there. I'm not really familiar with the F-35, as I've said before, with the Academy version, but it's all part of the learning experience when you do build models, isn't it? They've got a lot of detail on the engine and different compressors and stuff, and the lift-in fan there. But you're not going to see it. But perhaps it's part of the fun of building it up. You see part of it perhaps when you've because there's holes and doors everywhere. There, see. So perhaps it's worthwhile painting the inside of that in case it shows through. So you assemble it all together. You got a little drive shaft there going as well. Put that plonker in there. Nice like fit belt to it, and etc. etc. So it goes. You got alternative options for the exhaust, but it stands to reason that you'd have it on the lowered position because that's the significant feature of the STOVL version of the Lightning II. More sticky out bits for the tail and the fins. And you get all the weapons going on here. You've got you haven't got the side doors open, but you got the main weapons bay. You got bombs and missiles here as well. Just go on internally, and so it goes. You got different flaps. Only then you tell you how to put the wheels together, but it's two-part wheels with weight on shape on them. And more doors and a door factory. All the flaps and doors and parts of doors and hatches. Again, because of the way everything is all got doors and stealthily packed away, the expectation usually is to have everything with doors open. But one thing you don't always get with a kit is a trolley. this little weapons trolley. So if you don't put them on inside, you can have them stored outside next to the kit. And you've got an option of the JDAM or the whichever one this is, AMRAM, is it, something like that? It says on the back now she's got coloured painted instructions for those as well. So you've got options there for different versions of the trolley, configurations. You can have the canopy open and closed as well. So there we go, you've got the usual multicoloured grey. I'll show you afterwards. They're slightly raised, these areas here. Early on they painted them different colour. So you got a little flat ghost grey and gunship grey. So if you carefully paint those on, there's no decals for those that I can see. But yeah, all different shades of grey there. And is the AMRAM missiles, JDAM bombs and paveway bombs. You got a little colouring information for the trolley as well, which is very nice. So that's the instructions. You want to see the plastic, don't you, probably. Canopies, unlike the Academy one, is well, the Academy's got the in a the F-22, but Italeri got the tinted. See how tinted on it? That's like a yellow, goldy yellow tint on there. Perhaps I would put it against a bit of paper. See, does it show up on the camera? It doesn't really does show up. Believe me, that's got a gold tint on it. Maybe you can see that now. Gold tint on that canopy. So that's good. So there's a bit of a mark here, but I think that could be a detonation code marking rather than a seam. So get that focus a bit. Can't really show it up there. It's not really showing up. You can see the colour there, can't you? But there's a line through there. I think it's supposed to be for a det code. Anyway, wherever our det code is, famous French string maker. But that isn't again afterwards. It's one of those things trying to fiddly putting things in our bags. Main bag, two bags we got. Main area, you've got the top and bottom with the fuselage. That's the plastic sounds like. Got a lot of detail there. Detail on the engine. And look at the detail on the underside. You can see that, look how strong the pipes look there. Very clear pipe in there, look. And various hydraulic rams there. And similarly in the nose wheel bay. And you've got all the various detail of the up and down, in and out parts, as I call them. I don't know what they're really called in real life. But there's detail on all the moving parts here. Well, not moving, but you know, the parts which on a real aircraft that move. The engine parts. Like I say, you got a slightly raised, whatever you call this area. I don't know about the aircraft too much, but they're slightly raised. They're not high up. They're not sort of prominent as much, but they are raised. And but they're not on the other kit. But this one, when it was made, must have thought that they're normally raised in real life. They may be raised, maybe some sort of aerodynamic or stealth version for them. Perhaps anybody can explain to me in the comments afterwards what they're for. The little pin marks, extrusion things, are inside the air intakes. That's the main part of it. The other main sprue you got are, well, bag of sprues. So a small sprue for the weapons. Got the pylons, one-piece pylons, and a couple of two-piece bombs, and single-piece missiles. And there's a part of the trolley there. I can see part of the trolley and the wheels. But you've also got the tail, fin and rudder. And I noticed with the same as the Academy tail, you've got a slightly raised part there, so it's probably part of the design of the aircraft. Again, you got the parts there, look, the cockpit area. I think you got decals for that. I'll have to re-look again. I'll look there, look, we got decals for it. No decals for the, I don't think there's any decals for the instrument panel, although I thought it said it was, so I'm missing something here. Perhaps that's the decals, I don't know. I'll have a look again. Can't see them there, can I? Perhaps there is. There we go. But anyway, that's really it. Really, all different fans. Gotta have fans, isn't it? The louver things. Anyway, 10 minutes is longer than anybody's usually watching, so I won't. If I rush now, there's no point, because people who have switched off or will switch off already have switched off, so I may as well take my time. Just finishing off my got a little bit of detail into the doors, look, and the internal doors there again. All these hatches and doors here. There's the you could probably paint the details, but like I say, there's mini screens on this generation of aircraft. But some raised detail there, but it's supposed to be raised on the bombs. This solid undercarriage and various bits and bobs. Hinges for the doors there. Door hinges on 1/72 scale hinge. Fascinating. Absolutely thrilling. There we are. Anyway, that's my battery run out, and there you go, the F-35B Lightning, short takeoff, vertical landing version, used by various navies, American, British and Italian. Well, the Italians usually don't think they had carriers, but they must have got carriers. Plenty of Mediterranean to float about, isn't it now? Anyway, I'm waffling now. And it's 12.5 minutes, and stop there. Thank you, bye.